Hey y'all, welcome to Deen Quarantine. No. Hey y'all. Welcome to Quarantine Cooking. Did I say it right, Jamie?
It was Albert and Dee Dee Pullholtz, their group that came up with that. I didn't come up with that.
Quarantine.
You guys are doing a benefit for them. They called it Cooking Quarantine.
Oh, yay.
I think you should call it At Home with Paula Deen though, because you cook at home.
I am cooking at home.
Great idea.
And if you don't watch it, Max, I'm gonna step on you, little
It
baby.
just about ain't no quarantine anymore.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm scared of that. So,
Let's make a watermelon salad.
Okay, y'all want to tell everybody, y'all, it's watermelon season here in the South, and it is incredible. I'm using, this looks like pineapple, but it's actually a yellow watermelon that Eddie picked up at the grocery store.
I thought, sure enough, it was pineapple.
And you know, he's from up north, and he said, if I had cut that watermelon last night and saw that it was yellow, I'd have put it right in the trash. Because he's not used to yellow watermelons in New Hampshire. So I'm gonna use red and yellow watermelon because it's gonna be so pretty together. And you know, I sure do love eating pretty food sometimes. All right, what are y'all gonna do? Y'all
I'm looking
do-
for a whisk. Do you have a small whisk?
I sure do.
I'm enjoying the watermelon.
It's over here in my whisk drawer.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much.
And
Well, no, I don't salt very much, but I love a little bit of salt.
I can't eat watermelon or an apple or an orange
Well,
or grapefruit without salt. I just can't do it.
we are from Albany, Georgia, and right up the road from Albany is a small town called Cordele, Georgia, and it's just some of the finest watermelon in the world grows in Cordele, Georgia. And I have great memories of going over to Cordele with our friends, the Blaylocks, with Orrin Blaylock and his sister Amy and Dale and Susan, and we used to go out into the watermelon fields, and that's where I learned to just eat the gnats that land right on the watermelon. Just stop swatting them and just eat them.
Remember what we have different gnats in Southwest Georgia versus East Coast Georgia.
That's the biggest garlic
Here.
I've ever seen.
That is called elephant garlic, and I love my elephant garlic.
I love y'all. I love elephant garlic. I love watermelon. I love all this, but I got to go.
All right.
You ain't
Well,
going
If
nowhere.
y'all want, I got to go pick my youngin' up
No,
from camp.
you got time for us to stir this together.
Well, let's see.
All
What
right.
you got?
All right.
Red wine vinegar, and to that I added a little bit of salt and pepper and whisked it in.
Okay.
So here comes the red wine vinegar with a little salt and pepper.
And I'm going to add some fresh chopped mint that grows in our garden. All right, so we're going to
How about
add.
that oil? You want to add any of that oil?
Ah, wait, yeah, just a little bit at the time. I'll whisk in.
And I use an extra light olive oil, y'all, because I just don't like the strong taste of like extra virgin. So go ahead and do it, baby.
Yeah, well, just a little at a time. I'm trying not to.
Okay, because I'm going to throw this onion in there so it can absorb that oil and vinegar. I'm going to get that peeling off that onion. I don't like choking on no peeling.
What you doing, brother?
I'm slowly adding the oil to the vinegar.
You cutting the
All right.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay, so in with some purple onion.
What you gonna serve this in?
Okay, and if you would just stir that around, please, Bobby, so your onion can get
Yes.
nice and thinged
Thing.
and thinged.
Could you not find a smaller bowl? Is that the smallest bowl you can
Well,
find?
we don't need a large bowl.
That bowl. Look at
Oh,
all
no.
this watermelon. Look at all this dressing.
Single serving.
You just chopped up a whole purple onion.
I know it, and I'm just doing one
And you're
serving.
stirring it with a whisk.
Y'all get the hell off of me.
That looks immediately beautiful.
I know it. I know it.
And not everybody's familiar with yellow watermelon, I'm sure.
No. All right. Now a little
Feta cheese.
cheese.
Yeah.
Feta for the fat
There's some
boys.
nice,
Feta.
bold flavors going together too.
This is delicious, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna take my dressing and I'm gonna just spoon it over there. Bobby, by you slowly adding that oil, it came out nice and thick. So that worked out beautifully.
Yeah, it looks nice, even though I was under heaps of pressure to get it done.
Even though Jamie and I were making fun of you.
Jamie has to go, mother.
I'm actually 1 minute late at this point.
Tell them where you're going, Jamie, so they don't think you're just rushing off.
No, I'm not. My son is in day camp today, and it's time for me to get in the car and go pick him up. They would like me to pick up my child at the end of day camp. Please.
Look how beautiful and refreshing.
Oh, and it smells
that
so
is.
good.
All right, y'all get
That
your
fresh
fork.
milk.
Oh, here's your fork.
I'm
Make
so
sure
full
you
I
get-
couldn't eat another bite.
Well, you're fixing to. Get you a piece of that feta. You better. Get some feta. A little bite of onion.
Nope. No onion for me, please. Thank
I'm gonna
you.
skip the onion.
What do you think
I
about
got to
Bob?
talk to folks throughout the rest
Talk
of the day.
to them. Talk to them.
That's good.
I mean, that's why I'm not having onion.
It's a really nice, light, refreshing summer dish that you can
So
serve
nice.
to your friends.
The mint.
If you come to my
And
house,
the
we're just
cheese.
going to eat plain watermelon. Now. We're going to just leave all the oil and vinegar and all that. We're just going to have a watermelon, maybe with a little bit of salt.
That's really nice.
You know what? I love y'all. I've spent all the last few minutes of my time here visiting with my family making a watermelon salad that I really don't care to eat. I got to go pick my son up. I love y'all. Love you, Mom. Bye. I'll see y'all.
You too. Be safe.
It is good, though.
I love you. But
I ain't above you.
I ain't above you,
But I'm
bad
right
enough
above you.
I want to see
1980,
tail lights.
all over again.
We love each other.
Tail
Trust me,
lights.
we do. I love you.
Love you too.
I ain't gonna say bye to you on this camera though, but we got to go. Let's go. Y'all like it? Everything good? We good?
It's fantastic.
Love and best dishes.
Make it home. Okay, everybody, peace.
We'll see y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.